Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelly Joel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video I'll be doing a rubber band hairstyle, a ponytail, and it's quite easy for those who can't do cornrows at the back. You can just go ahead to do this rubber band hairstyle. So I started by sectioning my hair. I divided into 4 sections, and as usual I use edge control to help make the line straight and everything. So I get my rubber bands and I put olive oil on them to avoid any form of breakages. So after that I just section my hair, and this hairstyle is quite easy. I think if you just watch you can do it. You just section, you put the rubber band, you cross, you put the rubber band. That's basically it. So you can just watch.
모든 것이 다 끝나고 나면 난 다시 사람이 되어 그래. Blow with my bros, spank me with ties. You're at my mind, you're at my mind. Break my bones and purple my eyes. You're at my mind. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep, making it addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep, making it addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. My bruise, make me with ties. You're at my mind, you're at my mind. Black my bones and purple my eyes. You read my mind. Yeah, you read my mind. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep, making it addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep, making it addicted, yeah. Yeah. Pet me, 내게 부족한 걸 채워 줄 수 있는 건 너, 단지 너, 단지 너, 그대 나를 잘 알고 있어. 그대더러운 나를 씻어. 모든 것이 다 끝나고 나면 난 다시 사람이 되어 그래. Blow with my bros, spank me with ties. You're at my mind, you're at my mind. Break my bones and purple my eyes. You're at my mind. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep, making it addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep, making it addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah.
See, I might say, baby, hair's like money long, bitch, I've been getting paid. Keep a big bag, never fooled. I mean, yeah, bitch, I'm good in any hood, but it's love in the bag. And my wrist, don't forget, we ain't shining the same. I pull up in the range, and the squad never change. I see, that's a guy straight. Yeah. Long ass nails like some crab legs. Team on Supreme, never average. How your waist be disappearing from the side, bitch? Damn, you fine, you a dime, you a savage. That's right. I know that's right. Ain't never motherfucking wrong. Hey, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. Ass on soul food, ass on ziti, ass on Buffy, ass on sweetie. Give a little some if you start getting greedy. Got a squad full of tens and they all hella pretty. What a big ball of niggas and they friends at? Where they ain't finna spend a couple M's, man. How? What a East Saint Laurent fill a limbs. Make a chick had to fix her to wig cat. Wow. Patty cake, get your man. Everybody on me when I do my dance. I look like money and I taste like M's. I see them imitate, but it's cool, I'm a trend. They my ass like damn, and my makeup blend. I don't chase no men, that don't make no sense. She a bougie ghetto girl, so they mad bitch. And if you got a problem with it, you could come and get the hands. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. I know that's right. Ain't never motherfucking wrong. Hey. Get it, girl.
Once you're done putting the rubber bands, you just have to hold everything together like this, and this is actually the best part where you get your ponytail. I hope you've watched the video where I showed how to make this ponytail. If not, I will leave the link in the description. You can just click on the link and watch how to make this ponytail at home by yourself. So you just get the ponytail, you put it and you get few 7, 8 and you just wrap around and you're good to go. Nobody's gonna know. Lastly, I just carved my edges as usual. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.
Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. Ass on soul food, ass on ziti, ass on Buffy, ass on sweetie. Give a little some if you start getting greedy. Got a squad full of tens and they all hella pretty. What a big ball of niggas and they friends at? Where they ain't finna spend a couple M's, man. How? What a East Saint Laurent fill a limbs. Make a chick had to fix